In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a journal and create payroll liabilities in Zoho Books, whether you're handling payroll entries manually or using the integrated features of Zoho Payroll and Books. These steps will guide you through the process with ease. Starting with manual payroll entries, first, you need to create a new manual journal. To do this, head over to the Accountant module in Zoho Books and select Manual Journals. Once you're there, click on the Plus New Journal option. This will open up a new window where you'll enter the necessary details for your journal entry. In this journal, the first step is to enter the debit information. Look for the salary expense account, typically something like salaries and employee wages, and input the total gross salary amount. Next, move on to the credit section. Here, you need to credit individual accounts for each of the payroll liabilities. For example, you might have accounts for salaries payable, EPF payable, and TDS payable. It's crucial to ensure that your chart of accounts includes separate accounts for each of these liabilities. Make sure that the account type for each is set to Other Current Liability. This ensures that everything is properly categorized and ready for any audits or financial reviews. Transitioning now to those who use the integrated Zoho Payroll and Books. The first thing you'll want to do is set up the integration between the two services. In Zoho Payroll, navigate to Settings, then Zoho Apps, and finally Zoho Books to access the integration settings. Here, you can configure the components by selecting the appropriate bank account and setting up the liability and expense accounts related to payroll. This integration streamlines the process and saves you time on manual entries. Once your integration is in place, processing a pay run becomes a seamless task. When you approve a pay run in Zoho Payroll, it will automatically post a journal entry within your linked Zoho Books account. This entry will take care of creating the necessary payroll liabilities without any extra work on your part. After processing, you might want to review the automatically generated journal entry. To do this, log into Zoho Books and navigate to the Accountant module. Within that module, select Manual Journals, and you'll see the entries that have been generated through your integration with Zoho Payroll. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your payroll entries in Zoho Books. Whether you're entering journals manually or taking advantage of the integration, these methods will ensure your financial records are both accurate and up to date. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.